So I used this. I melted them. I got 10 of these. I melted them. And you put a cap full of this. Any oil will work, but I think olive oil is the best oil that's for this job. And then you keep adding like cornstarch. If you like it sticky, add less cornstarch. If you don't like it sticky, add more cornstarch. For me, I don't like sticky slime that sticks to you. So I added cornstarch. Put a whole bunch in your bowl so you don't have to keep wasting cornstarch. And then voila. You've got you some slime. Now love with me, now love with me, now love with me. It's still warm. It's edible. Personally, I get my friends to eat it because I don't eat marshmallows like that. I'm just gonna sprinkle cornstarch out the bowl and just like go with it and like just prepare to be stretched, curled, pulled. And then like I was going to make this in the morning because you can't put it in the refrigerator and you can't have it out for too long in a bowl. So yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna pause the video for a quick moment. Ugh. Okay, so basically I'm cleaning up right now. So I'm just gonna do it. I don't know, I'm not good at editing YouTube videos, so I'm just gonna like act like I'm moving fast. Ready? You know how they be like, I'm gonna do it slow motion. Like, this is one of the pieces that I had a buttload of cornstarch, so it was like super duper stretchy. Boom, 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 boom. Jump on, jump on. Okay, when I get all cleaned, I'm gonna come back to the, when I get all clean, I'm gonna come back to the camera. Alright, thanks guys. Goodbye.